So you have a Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or the S20 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease the size of your SMS text messages. So the first thing is this. Let me go ahead and open up my text messages here. Now you can see right here how small that is. Now one quick way to increase and decrease is basically you can slide it up and down like this. Okay? Now the thing is, even if you go to the largest here, and it's still not large enough, you want to make it even bigger, then what you can do is you can actually go directly into your settings, and then you want to go ahead and tap on display, and then we can change the font size from there so you can make it even larger if you wish. So go to display, and then we're going to go ahead and go all the way down to where it says font size and style. Let me tap on that. Now by default it's right here, okay? So just for example purposes, let's just go ahead and jack it all the way up to the largest, okay? Now if I click on my recents button down here and I go back to my text messenger right here, now take a look at this. Now we can go even bigger like that, but the smallest is not going to be the smallest, okay? And the same thing, even if you type down here, you can do the same thing, okay? You can basically pinch it. So pretty simple. Any issues or questions, just comment below. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.